These days,
$500 a day.
$924 easy money.
$11 into $1,100.
dedicating only 1 hour a day.
This only took me literally 5 minutes of charting.
It's just simply 12 hours.
Well, if this intro is not a perfect way to summarize the trading industry in a nutshell, I don't know what was. There's a method to this madness. They all follow the same type of strategy. They offer crazy returns in a short amount of time. It's really that simple. Crazy returns in a short amount of time. Also known as a get-rich-quick scheme. I honestly thought that get-rich-quick schemes were kind of a thing of the past, with the odd ones coming up every now and then, like dog tokens or NFTs. You guys know what I'm talking about. And it's really no different when it comes to the trading industry on social media. Now, I'm not here to call out anybody in particular. I'm just here to simply plant the seed in your mind to help you guys start to question videos that you see like this. If this is the definition of a get-rich-quick scheme, and this is what these people are offering, is that not a get-rich-quick scheme? The reality when it comes to trading is that there's no holy grail trading methodology. There's no exact time when to buy or when to sell. No, you're not going to turn $1 into $10,000 in 1 month or anything like that. Yes, there are going to be these outlier situations, but here on my channel, I like to tell the people that follow me that this is a long-term game. In trading, you need to have a long-term approach. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme at all. It's unfortunately, trading is one of those things where yes, you can press one button one time and things could really go your way and you can make a crazy amount of money. It is definitely possible, but that is what we like to call gambling. That is not what trading is. Trading is a long-term approach. And the reality when it comes to trading is that there are so many different trading methodologies out there, and I'm not going to sit here and say this one's good, this one's bad, this one's good. I don't do that. I personally trade supply and demand and trend lines. I have my own system, I have my own strategy, and that strategy works for me. So I am actually the only one who knows when to buy and exactly when to sell based on my own methods. And you guys are the only ones who are going to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell, as long as you have your own trading system that you have created. And if you are a beginner trader watching this video, my advice to you would be to go around on YouTube, look at the different trading methodologies, watch different videos, learn as much as you can, and then take that knowledge that you have learned and apply it to the charts. Get a TradingView account, go on TradingView, back test, look at the charts, become familiar with zones, trend lines, all that stuff, whatever you are learning. Become familiar with it and you will actually start to recognize your own patterns. Now, with that being said, we definitely have to be careful who we are watching on YouTube because obviously, like I have displayed here, there are a lot of get-rich-quick schemes. So here are my tips to help you guys kind of navigate through the muddy waters of trading on social media. The first thing I would be very, very weary of is, like I said at the beginning of the video, if it seems like a get-rich-quick scheme, it probably is a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, that doesn't mean that this person's YouTube isn't filled with other knowledgeable content. I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is if somebody is basically offering a get-rich-quick scheme, to me personally, that's right away going to throw me off, and I'm pretty much not going to trust that person. That's just me personally. You guys can have your own opinions on that. The second thing, in my opinion, the most important thing to look for when you're trying to learn from somebody is ask yourself this. Are you able to see this person's analysis from beforehand and check on it now? Can you see that? Do they have YouTube videos with forecasts or on Instagram or posts with beforehand analysis that you can go check on after? Ask yourself that. On my channel, I do a weekly Forex forecast here on YouTube every single Friday. Now, I have never deleted a forecast video. Yes, I have missed a few due to being sick or around Christmas time. But the truth is, I have never deleted any of my weekly Forex forecast videos, no matter how incorrect I was the previous week. It is all there for you guys to go ahead and watch and check up on. And before you comment, oh, your zones only work, 30-35% of the time, they fail most of the time, you can still be a profitable trader losing the majority of the time. I actually am. So just want to point that out before you comment that on the videos. And now that we're on the topic of losing more trades than you win and still being a profitable trader, I think it's actually a great time to talk about this because this is something that is often overlooked and I don't really see many people talking about this. You can be a trader who loses more than they win and be very, very profitable. This can easily be simulated on websites like winrate.io and a few other websites as well. And another thing that's very, very important to remember, if you ever see anybody that's saying, oh, this is how you have a 90% win rate, 95% win rate, or whatever, it's very, very important to know that when that trader loses a trade, because they're not 100% win rate, they obviously are losing some trades. When they lose a trade, it is an extremely large loss compared to how much they are winning. Yes, they have a 90% win rate, but they're winning very, very small amount and they're losing a very, very large amount. That is just the reality of how it works. So me personally, my trading strategy, I actually only win around 30% of the time, and my average rough risk reward is around 5-1, depends. So I just wanted to make that very, very clear for all of you beginner traders out there. Do not be fooled and psychologically manipulated by seeing a 90% win rate. You are not going to have a 90% win rate when you win $1,000 every trade and you only lose $100 every trade. It is just simply not going to take place. And before we wrap this video up, let me leave you guys with this question. Now let's pretend for a moment that you had all of the bad intentions in mind. You were out to essentially scam people by offering a get-rich-quick scheme. So you do the obvious, you rent a Lamborghini, you borrow somebody's nice watch, but now you got to pretend like you are a trader. So are you going to sit there and say 30% win rate, massive profits? No, you are not going to do that. You are going to say a 90% win rate or an 85% win rate or a very, very high win rate in order to psychologically manipulate beginners. And if you truly wanted to make as much money as possible selling your trading signals or your trading course, would you really be honest and tell your viewers and make a YouTube thumbnail saying, trading is a long-term game. This is not for everybody. 95% of traders fail. You need to work hard. You need to study. You need to work on your mental ability. Would you really say that? No, you'd be straight up clickbaity. You can make this much money in this short amount of time, which again is a get-rich-quick scheme. There's really no way around it in my opinion. And again, I just want to make sure that everyone is very clear that this is not meant to be a personal attack on anybody I have shown in this video. I simply just went on YouTube and found clips to show you guys. So I really hope that you guys found this video very insightful and it started to make you guys start to question things you are seeing in the trading social media space. So make sure to share this video with a fellow trader. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And as always, I do my weekly Forex forecast here on YouTube for free for everyone to watch.